Hello and welcome guys at my channel Finance at Home. So we have completed the cash budget and we have done two questions on cash budget. If you have any doubt in cash budget or any other budget, okay, or any other topic, you can ask in a comment section or you mail it at a finance at home21@gmail.com and I will give the mail id in the description box. Okay, so from now onwards we will start the flexible budget. So grab your notebooks and pen pencil because you also write with me. Okay, let's start. So we started today is flexible budget. Flexible budget means that budget will show either if it is increase your budget will be increased, what will be the effect if the your production will be decrease. Okay, if you आपने सोचा है कि आप 1000 का बजट बनाएंगे, ओके, सॉरी 1000 यूनिट बनाएंगे या 1000 यूनिट सेल करेंगे, तो क्या फ़र्क होगा? अगर वो 500 यूनिट बिका तो क्या फ़र्क होगा? वो 1100 यूनिट बिका तो क्या फ़र्क होगा? ओके, यू हैव डिसाइडेड दैट यू विल सेल्स 1000 यूनिट्स. ओके, तो इफ़ यू जस्ट मेक द बजट ऑफ 1000, दैट इज़ द फिक्स्ड बजट. What will be happen if it is only 800 sales or it will be 1100 sales? So it shows the flexibility. Okay, so the format of the flexible budget is particulars, capacity, first sales in rupees, a variables cost, first material, second labor, and third variable. Okay, that is total A. Okay, B would be semi variable, overhead, that is factory overhead or administrative overhead. That is total P. Third is fixed cost. Fixed cost, salary, debenture, insurance, total cost is A plus B plus C. Okay, that is the total production cost. Okay, if you want to get whether it's a profit or a loss, what will you do? Sales minus total cost. So you get to know whether it is a profit or a loss. अगर आपको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है या लॉस हो रहा है पता करना हो तो कैसे करेंगे? सेल्स माइनस टोटल कॉस्ट. ओके, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आपका वो बजट क्या है, प्रॉफिट में चल रहा और लॉस में है. ओके, सो नाउ स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन. ओके फिर आपको समझ आ जाएगा और अच्छे से, देन यू अंडरस्टैंड मोर क्लियरली. ओके, for production of 10,000 units the following are budgeted expenses. Direct material is given per unit. Okay, so 10,000 for into 48. Okay, direct material, variable overheads, fixed overheads, variable expenses, selling expenses, which here 10% is fixed and 90% is variable. Same here is the 40,000 is fixed, distribution is 20 fixed or rest 80 is the percent is variable. Okay, prepare a budget for production 7,000 units and 9,000 units. Okay, now we have to prepare the budgets. Let's start. Question solution. Flexible budget. Okay, here is particulars. 10,000 यूनिट्स का उसने दिया है हमें बनाना है 7,000 यूनिट्स के and 9,000. 10,000 units information is already given. Now we have to make 7,000 units and a 9,000 units. Okay, cost per unit and यहाँ पे amount, cost per unit and amount, cost per unit and amount. Okay, so first is variable cost. Okay, so material, first is material price is 48. Okay, so 48 into 10,000 is 4,80,000. 48 into 7 would be the 336. And 48 into 9,000, 4,32,000. Okay, now second is labor 24 into 10,000 is 2,40,000. 24 into 7 that is 1,68,000 and 24 into 9 that is 2,16,000. Okay, and third is variable overheads. Variable overhead amount is 20. Okay, amount is 20 into 10 that is 2 lakh. 20 into 7 that is 1,40,000. 20 into 9 that is 1,80,000. Okay, and third, variable expenses direct means the whole amount is put it in variable expenses. Okay, its variable expenses is 4. Yeah, it's 4. 4 into 10 it's 40,000. 4 into 7 that is 28,000. 4 into 9 that is 36,000. Okay, now is this completed? Total, we have to do total A. Okay, in the end we will do second B, semi variable cost. semi variable cost, which means some part is variable and the other part will be the fixed. Okay, here is two things given. The selling expenses, which is 10%, is fixed and the rest amount is variable. Okay, so fixed and variable. Okay, 10% is fixed, 12. Total cost per unit of selling is 12. 10%, that is 1.2. Okay, 1.2 and the rest amount will be the variable, 10.8. Okay, so 1.2 into 10,000, that is 12,000, and 10.8 into 10,000, that is 1,08,000. Okay, like same, fixed will be the remain constant. Okay, that is 12,000. 1.2 is 12,000. Okay, 10.80. The cost per unit will be the same, but the amount will be differ because of the units. 10.8 into 70,000. 7,000, that is 75,600. Okay, 10.80 into 9,000, it is 97,200. And second is distribution expenses, fixed and variable. 20% is fixed and the overall total cost per unit is 4. 4's 20% is 0.8. Okay, 0.8. Okay, and rest 80% will be the variable, 3.2. Okay, so 0.8 into 10,000 will be the 8,000 and the amount will be the same, 8,000. And 3.2 into 10,000, that is 32,000. 3.2 into 7,000, that is 22,400. And 3.2 into 9,000, that is 28,800. Okay, the semi variable cost is also done. Total B. And third is fixed cost. Okay, first is fixed overhead. Fixed overhead given is 1,20,000. 1,20,000 divided by 10,000, that is 12 cost per unit. And in fixed cost, whether your units will be differ, but your fixed cost will be remain same. So 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Okay, and then administration expenses. Expenses that given 40,000 fixed. Okay, 4. Okay, now we add 4,80,000 plus 2,40,000 plus 2,00,000 plus 40,000, that is 9,60,000, 12,000, 108,000, 8,000, and 32,000, that is 1,60,000, total see 1,60,000 into 2 plus 9,60,000, that is 12 lakh. Total cost A plus B plus C, that is 12,80,000. 12.8 divided by 10,000 is 128. Okay, like same we did. So here is the question. Okay, here is the solution of this. So in this way you can find the flexible budget. Okay, the next question is the profit for the year of Push On Limited works out to 12.5% of the capital employed and the relevant figures are as follows. Sales इतना, direct material, direct labor, variable overhead and capital employed. Okay, the new sales manager has joined the company recently. Estimate for the next year a profit of about 23% on the capital employed, provide the volume of sales is increased by 10% and simultaneously there is an increase in selling price of 4%. ओके, यहाँ पे बोल रहा अगर उसने प्राइस इंक्रीज़ किया था सेल का 10%, उसके साथ ही इंक्रीज़ हुआ था सेलिंग प्राइस 4% एंड द ओवरऑल कॉस्ट रिडक्शन ऑल एलिमेंट कॉस्ट बाय 2। 100 रुपये का सामान था, ठीक है। सेल्स अगर 110 हुआ तो उसका सेलिंग प्राइस 104 हुआ, बट ये जो ओवरऑल कॉस्ट है वो 2 रुपये से कम हो गया, दैट इज़ 98%। ओके, find out the computing in the detail the cost and the profit for the next year, whether the proposal of the sales manager can be adopted। आपको डिटेल में कॉस्ट बताना है, प्रॉफिट अगले साल का अगर, और ये आप प्रपोजल एक्सेप्ट करते हैं कि नहीं ये बताना है। ओके, सो इन क्वेश्चन व्हाट विल बी आस्क्ड प्रॉफिट फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर। सो आप प्रॉफिट निकालने के लिए इनकम स्टेटमेंट आप कैसे पढ़े हैं, सेल्स माइनस वेरिएबल दैट कम्स कंट्रीब्यूशन माइनस फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट, देन यू गेट प्रॉफिट। ओके, you have sales, you have variable, but you don't have fixed cost। okay, but you have the profit which means capital employed you have। okay, so with this you find the fixed cost। okay, just do the reverse calculation। so अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा, सेल्स माइनस टोटल कॉस्ट इक्वल टू प्रॉफिट। ओके, वी नो द प्रॉफिट, वी नो द सेल्स, व्हेन वी कैलकुलेट द टोटल कॉस्ट प्रॉफिट माइनस सेल्स। ओके, व्हाट वी हैव earlier read, that is sales minus total cost equal to profit। so we know the sales, we know the profit, we have to know the total cost। okay, the cost of production, profit minus sales, you got the total cost। okay, minus करना the variables। okay, all the amount other than the fixed cost, so you got the fixed cost amount। okay, now we have to do in copy। first we have to find calculation of fixed expenses। okay, computation of fixed expenses, and why we are finding the fixed expenses, because we have to find the profit for the next year, and we know that fixed expenses will be remain same whether the profit will be increase, decrease, sales increase, decrease। okay, that's why we have, but in the that is the one thing। okay, and the other thing is In income statement we have learned that sales minus variable comes contribution and minus fixed cost comes profit. Okay, sales is 5 lakh. Okay, 5 lakh given in the questions, less profit. Capital employed is total assets minus total liabilities, that is why we call profit. 4 lakh into 12.5% given. Okay, 4 lakh 12.5%, that is 50,000. Total cost is 4 lakh 50,000 and less all other cost. Other cost, or either use this variable cost. Okay, 2 lakh 50, 1 lakh, 2 lakh 90, 3 lakh 90,000. Okay, fixed cost will be, fixed cost is 60,000. Okay, now statement showing competition. Of profit. If okay, what we say that सेल्समैन ने क्या बोला, जो नया सेल्स आया, कि हम क्या करेंगे, हम 10% सेल्स बढ़ा देते हैं. ओके, जिसका सेलिंग प्राइस इंक्रीज हो जाएगा 4% उसका इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. ओके, so what will be the answer? Amount will come 5,72,000 less variable cost. Variable cost is direct labor. That is, first is direct material. Material is 2,50,000. Okay, 10% increase in sales, but the total cost reduction will be by the 2%. Okay, 2,50,000, that is 110% into 98%, that is 26,9500, 2,69,500. Okay, and direct labor, that is 1 lakh. 1,10,000, 98%. Okay, that is 1,07,800, and variable overhead, that is 40,000 into 110 into 98%. ओके, हम यहाँ पे इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमने सेल्स 10% से बढ़ाना है, बट उस जो 10% से आप बढ़ाएंगे उसका जो ओवरऑल कॉस्ट रहेगा वो 2% कम हो जाएगा. ओके, बट द सेलिंग प्राइस विल बी द इंक्रीजेस बाय द 4%. दैट्स वाई अगर आप सेल 10 यूनिट्स बढ़ाते 10% यूनिट्स बढ़ाते हैं, जिसका सेलिंग प्राइस 4% बढ़ जाएगा, इसलिए हमने यहाँ 1/4 किया. ओवरऑल कॉस्ट जो लगी है वो रिड्यूस हो जा रहा है 2% से, इसलिए यहाँ पे 2% रिड्यूस करके बता रहे हैं. सेल्स में आप क्या सेलिंग प्राइस करेंगे एंड रिडक्शन में आपको 2% कम भी मिलेगा सामान. ओके, 43,120. Contribution is 1,51,580. Okay, less fixed cost, which is 60,000. Okay, but fixed cost is overall cost reduction will be happen here also. It is 98%. 60,000 98%, that is 58,800. Okay, here says the overall cost reductions. Okay, if it says the cost reduction is only on variable, then you have to reduce in variable only. But if it said that overall cost reduction, which means fixed cost also will be reduced by 2%. Okay, answer will be 90 to 780, and which is profit. Okay, so percentage profit on the capital employed कितना होगा, because percentage profit on capital employed, that is profit will be the 90 to 780 divided by what is the is 4 lakh and into 100, which comes 23.195%. Okay, so in the question it said that the new salesman who joined the company estimate the next year profit is 23% on the capital employed, but when we estimate is 23.195, which is more than the 23% of the capital. So hence this proposal will be accepted because above computation it was found that percentage will be more than the expected capital employed. Okay, you have to give this conclusion. Okay, so in this your flexible budget is completed, means your budget is completed. Okay, if you have any doubt in budget questions, okay, so you can ask in the comment section or you mail it. Okay, and guys, please subscribe my channel. Okay, and press the bell icon. Whenever I get to upload my video, you got the notifications. Please if you like my video, please give thumbs up, because this is the appreciation for me also. And if you like the video, comment also that you liked it, you want anything, you have means you want to ask any other topic, you can say in the comments. So this will be the appreciation for me, and thank you if you do this and subscribe my channel. Thank you, be safe, stay at home and पढ़ाई शुरू कर दीजिए. Okay, thank you.